The commodities market, I know you think there's a secular bull market there. CRB index is down some 12% since the end of April. Have you reevaluated any of your commodity investments on more of a short-term basis?
Why? Because they're down 12%? I mean, Rhonda, markets go up. Markets have 30, 40, 50% corrections all the time. If you look at the top and bottom of any asset, any stock, anything in any one year, the range between the bottom and the top is at least 30 or 40, 60%. No, 12%? No, that's the way markets work.
So let me ask you about one commodity in particular, especially if we're printing money all over the place. Is gold undervalued right now?
Well, I own gold. I wouldn't buy gold at the moment. If it goes down, I certainly will buy more gold. I'm not selling them. You know, Rhonda, gold has been up 10 years in a row. That's very unusual for any asset. It looks like it might be up 11 years in a row. Maybe it's going to go up 14 years in a row. I don't know. But I don't want to buy gold right now. But if it goes down, I'm going to buy a lot more.
Anything else in the metals? Copper, silver?
Well, silver. If silver goes down, in fact, if I had to buy one today, I would buy silver because it's 25% below its all-time high, while gold recently made an all-time high. But I'm not buying either today. If I were buying anything today, I would buy agriculture.
What about the issue, though, if we do see this economic slowdown, severe recessions, that you would have an impact with commodity demand, short-term at least?
Well, of course, I've got shorts. I mean, I'm long commodities and some currencies. I've sold short European stocks. I've sold short emerging market stocks. I've sold short American technology stocks. So sure, the kind of scenario you've outlined, my shorts, I hope, will protect me. And in that kind of scenario, Rhonda, they're going to print more money. And when they print more money, you want to own real assets. You want to own commodities. And there's shortages in commodities. In the 1970s, Rhonda, we had terrible economies and terrible stock markets all over the world. Commodities went through the roof. We had one of the great bull markets of all time in commodities, and people made fortunes if they owned commodities and were short stocks or avoided stocks. We have the 1970s again.
In terms of the ag markets, is that across the board, corn, wheat, sugar, soy?
My lawyer won't let me buy individual commodities, so I own the Rogers commodity, agricultural commodity. I own all the Rogers commodity indexes. I especially own the Rogers agricultural index.
Understandable.